nothing to do. These days they come and go.